Hi and welcome to this multi-part video series called Phone Right. My name is David Anthony. Now, if this is your first time here, welcome, and do consider subscribing because this channel is all about helping you go further and faster in business and in life. So let's get started.
Well, welcome back again. In this segment of your program, we're going to move beyond the delighting visitors phase and look at how we can give those visitors a great experience and as a result, turn them into clients or customers. To put that more simply, we're going to learn how we can create many more sales by using our verbal skills much more effectively. Along the way, we're going to be learning yet again what outstanding teams do. And we're going to see if we can develop some performance standards to match, if not surpass, their skill sets. But it's not just skill sets that we'll be surpassing here. It's mindsets as well. You see, outstanding teams and organizations know and understand something about people who call them. They understand that many times people call them and they don't tell them the entire truth right away. Now let's examine that more closely by looking at two key ways that potential customers begin their calls about 80% of the time. First, the "I'm seeking information" call.
Yes, I'm calling to get some information on the ABC Series 2, please.
Oh, fine. Thank you so much for calling. And what information were you wanting?
Well, I'm wondering about its size. What length is it?
Oh, let's see. That information is actually on our website. Okay, here it is. It's 2 inches long or 5 centimeters.
Okay, 5 centimeters. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you so much for calling about it.
Now, while you're thinking about that call, let's examine the second way that people begin their calls.
Yes. Could you tell me the price of the ABC Series 2, please?
Oh, fine. Thanks so much for calling. Let's see. That information is actually on our website. Here it is. $325. That doesn't include freight or taxes.
$325. Thank you very much. I'll call back later.
Oh, thank you so much for calling about it. Oh, and please ask for Dennis next time you call.
Now, those calls may seem a little extreme, but calls just like them happen thousands of times an hour around the world, except, of course, in outstanding organizations. Those two calls we listen to illustrate a crucial point. In fact, it's so important I want you to discuss it. Take a break and answer these 3 important questions. What might the caller have wanted in both cases? Secondly, did the team member help the caller? And finally, how could the team member have helped the caller better? Take a break and discuss those questions, and I'll join you back here as soon as you have.
I hope you got a lot of value today. If you did, click the like button. What that does is help us build our non-profit business school, UBLA. Check out in the description below to find out more about what we're doing and how you can help. This is part of a multi-part series, so keep your eye out for the next video. In the meantime, we've done a great playlist about how why do small businesses fail. Check this link over here, and this will show you a great little list about how you can be successful in business. So thank you very much. Catch you again soon.